Dear friend, yesterday night I don't know why I was very scared about Arno's life. And when I wake up in the morning, I see the news that his life was in danger. My dear friend, all of you aware why his life is in danger? Not for him, but for a Nirvaya of Mumbai, Disha Salian. His life in risk, not from a girl's anyhow connected with him, but he is he keep fighting for justice of a girl, of a middle class girl who is suspected suicidal case. He explained properly what the fact of that suicide case. Nothing else he did. He explained she was found 15 feet away from the floor boundary of this flat. No one can jump that much for suicide. She was without cloth. Whatever the truth he can find, he find out about her suspected suicide. He surmises to that is the way to analyze any murder, any death. Even in our family, someone died in a hospital. We thought so many way why he died, where the mistake was there, where doctor did the mistake, where we did the mistake, where was the mistake. No one justify any death. It creates so many way of thinking. And Arno was doing the same job for a very poor family girl, middle class girl, who walk out from her house to get a chance to develop and succeed as we all created atmosphere for women empowerment, self-reliant women. Disha was also interested for her self-reliant life, and she was suicide, which was not looked that Disha was like a girl who can suicide. So he tried to find out where she was suicide or she was killed, and he just narrated all the possible evidence in that respect. The follow-up death of Sushant Singh Rajput was created much doubt because there was a nexus between two deaths. What is wrong in that? The Nirbhaya of Mumbai is not supposed to be examined. Disha is the Nirbhaya of Mumbai, and she is also required to be examined. Nirbhaya of Delhi was inquired and justice done. If Nirbhaya of Mumbai justice was not done, the question arises before the Chief Justice of India that when the bus driver, poor people's, did the crime, their case was taken by judiciary very smartly and very fast. When a similar question arises for a girl of Mumbai, Disha Salian, if our judiciary will not follow proper investigation and clear the doubt. What is the meaning of constitutional fundamental right and right of equality? Even our founding father Gandhiji held for a justice, we do all level of inquiry. So Arnav is represent a true veteran of this country for the society, peoples of India. And any attack on him, attack on every citizen of this country. People will lose the faith to free movement of their girls in Mumbai, to clear the doubt about this Asalia. His all narratives given by Narayan Rane's sons, so many other peoples given their evidence. It should be reached to finality. That was the Arnav call, and that was a genuine call. And everyone, any persons who has a fair mind will call this for fairness of judiciary. And so surprised, our Prime Minister is silent, who has narrated so many times that he belongs to a very poor family. And here, a girl from a poor family, middle class family, was found dead without suicide note. And there is a circumstances created doubt that she may be killed by influential society peoples for any Nirvya-like desire. That should be inquired and finality should be reached properly under the scrutiny of Supreme Court judge to clear and surprise those people is irritating who is Rama Bhakta. Ram allowed in her court a very poor common man who questions about her wife, his wife, Sita, and Rama could not evidence. Then whatever the result, but he did not suppress that poor man's to questions about his family, king family, Rama like king family, who is a god, Lord to us. So we are the society, we are belongs to the sections where justice and freedom of speech to most poor people must be held and must be protected. Dear all of us citizens must awake and fight and secure our life to a life and with dignity. Thank you. Good night.